National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Kannapolis, or 6 miles northwest of Landis, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mooresville, China Grove, Landis, Cleveland, Mount Ella, Piedmont Research Station, Emmitsville, Kannapolis, and Salisbury. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Iredell and Rowan.
Good golly, GSP.
Here is a